Hello guys, today my brother was asking me, is it easy to make money in stock markets? So I am dedicating this video to him. Dude, making money is very hard in stock markets. I will explain it through an virtual game. Little bit about me. Myself is Tarun Kumar, software developer by profession, and I like to do bit of everything in my free time. This may be a bit technical, but if you survive through the end of this video, you will definitely find some value. I will prove that there is no way novice can make money in trading. This video is cautioning my brother Nitin and Gaurav against those videos, which say you can easily make money in stock market. Stay away from trading in markets and concentrate on your core skills. Later, I will share this video with wider audience. I have done certain analogies which may not be true. Please use your own discretion. So the game goes like this. Suppose you are given 100 rupees and you are asked to invest this money in this game. You flip a coin. On heads, your money increases by 60%. On tails, your money decreases by 40%. So let's do a random run of this game. I have pre-computed result of certain possibilities of this game, and I will show you these in some graphs. I have written a program to simulate this. So this is first run. So person starts with 100 rupees, then he gets a tail, again gets a tail, then gets a head, then tail, tail, head, and goes on like this. So after end of 10 iterations, he starts with 100 rupees and ends up with less than 20 rupees. This is a luck-based game, and for each person, playing result will be different. A person can get all heads and a person may get all tails. Suppose 5 people are playing this game and some random results are as follows. So out of these 5 people, 2 people end up earning more than 100 rupees and 3 people end up losing money. So I tried to do another type of analysis. I calculated average wealth of these 5 participants and we run this program different times. But every time we run this program, we get different results. Sometimes net wealth is up and sometimes down, which is non-conclusive. So in order to find some concrete evidence, uh, I tried many strategies, and one such strategy was run this game with 1 million participants. It simulates real markets because in real market there are millions of traders playing, and this is a bit of real world example. So when you play this game with 1 million participants and you ask them to play this game 60 times at least, and then you calculate total wealth of all these people, you can clearly see over time their wealth increases. So this is not a one-off graph. You can try this many times. So I will run another such iteration. So I'm running this program again. It will take a few seconds, just please cooperate. So these are iterations and we will have total of 60 iterations for 1 million people. So let's refresh this graph. You can clearly see after you can do this iteration n number of time and you will see that total net worth of all the peoples increases over time. So this is a bit of conclusive evidence. But there is a bit of catch here. So if you see distribution of wealth, you will find some striking scenarios. Out of these 1 million participants, 99% of wealth is accumulated by 3,000 old people. These you can consider as lucky Junjunwalas or the Manis of game. People will argue they may have skill or some other kind of stuff, but just for a moment consider them as lucky. So this graph shows this graph is for a wealth distribution for these iteration. Out of total 100% people, 70% people after 60 iterations have either gone broke or have less than 100 rupees. And uh, these 3000 people have 95 to 95, 99% of total wealth. Let's do another type of analysis on this game. Let's do a single participant play this game long enough. Let's try a single participant play this game for 60 minutes or 60 such iterations. Even if you run this program 10,000 times or 1 lakh times, you will notice that eventually the person will get bankrupt, no matter how he started. So conclusion is clear. We are mostly presented with little knowledge that market is rising and it is easy to make money in markets. People will tell you you can start here, you can sell here, start here, sell here. But actually scenario is very different. What you get is not average of all the people, but what you get is just you may end up here, 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 or here. And most of people end up here only, 70% times. So there is a book, a Random Walk Down the Wall Street. It says markets are completely random, and if you are trading on basis of tips or highs, it is just predicting market with a toss of a coin. Most of retail investors or ordinary people like me who have no knowledge of how markets work play market like this game. Sometimes they win, sometimes they lose, but overall result is that they are not able to even beat the index. Like one in the example above, 75% of people go broke and wealth is accumulated with very few lucky people. Somebody will come to us and show Nifty Sensex chart. Sensex chart will resemble with one of that ensemble of 1 million people playing. If we look at another angle in this experiment, we can, instead of 1 million people, we can consider 6,000 companies and consider the results of these companies as random. So what you will notice that only few will survive. They are the lucky ones. Reason can be moat, management, or any other X reason. It is difficult to write only profitable ones, but if we invest in some form of index, we can certainly do better than these 75% of people without any effort. Historically, over time, average return of index fund is just few basis point above FD in India. So the question is, should we really take the risk of investing in equity just for few points gain over FD returns? Clearly, I don't have the answer now. Many people tell me, Tarun, you always tell the problem, you never tell the solution. So I will try to answer this question, whether we should invest in a equity index fund. I am currently back testing a strategy on index funds. Probably I will share in next video with numbers. Till then, if you have some queries over this or want some explanation or want code of this runs, I can share it with you. Please drop a mail or drop a comment under this video. Yeah, thank you.